Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here with a late video. Gonna go over the top plays for tomorrow, October 12th. So here we are. BTB is gonna be one of the main watches. This thing's really looking like it's holding that 15 cent area. And it's starting to coil back a little bit, perk and volume today. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. But as usual, we're looking for that high daybreak. What was the example today? There was ATXI, I believe. Um, that high daybreak is going to be the trigger for that momentum shift when there's some volume behind it. Um, and yeah, so that's what we look for. And then from there, just focus on the trend, volume, holding key levels. It's usually that simple when there's enough volume. You typically get around 30% move. This one did not offer that, but still about 20% here, not too bad. You take 10-15%, lock that in. That's a decent day. So, where were we? BTB. This is going to be a top watch for sure. And then SNTI, another multi-day bounce showing some signs of bottom here. Trying to double bottom, hold around the 3.5 area, whole dollar, half dollar level, which is also pretty key here. If we go back on when the play started running up the first few days, 3.5 was where it consolidated for a bit. So combining that, it's a key area on the chart, as well as psychologically whole dollar, half dollar area, and showing some signs of bottom with this double bottom here. I wouldn't be shocked to see this thing bounce if tomorrow was the day. So we have this decent run up from this thing, low ones to 9, and now well off of the highs, 50%, a little bit more. So keep this on watch. Did I show the overall chart here? Yeah, I did. My mind's up. And then ATXI, this is going to be a play as well. So we have some resistance here from around 307, which is where it topped out today. Shocker. So we'll see if it fails to break down, confirms 3. If it's more comfortable, wait for the dip by the confirmation when it does hold the breakout level. If you're uncomfortable buying it as it breaks. So we're not trying to buy it at any cost either. So let it show you that there's enough strength, spiking on strong demand, and then dipping and holding on less volume. Typically a good sign of future strength to come in. So ATXI, we're going to look for that 307 breakout that could trigger a move. I'm not thinking to fill the gap. I'm not trying to look for a home run play. Just looking for it to get to the mid threes, possibly 4. But yeah, so ATXI as well. Lastly, CNXA. Another multi-day bounce. This one not really showing much sign besides there isn't any volume really right now, so it could trigger a bounce if it fails to head lower. And it did have a solid push here, but just selling all the way through. My main focus will probably be SNTI and BTB for the multi-day bounce, but we'll definitely leave an alert for CNXA as it could be something. It does fall in line with the pattern, but I'm just not really liking this action here. It just very low volume, fade, fade, fade. So we'll see what happens. But those are going to be the top plays on watch so far for tomorrow, October 12th. Hope everyone had a great day. It's getting late. Gonna get some rest now. We'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.